biggest dog.
Hey y'all, it's John Deere 330. Today, we're up at a tractor show, Mike's Farm, Belleville, North Carolina. And as y'all can see, I got 4 John Deeres. John Deere 210 we just finished. John Deere 60 we just finished. 330, some people talking about it there. 330, and then the 111. So, y'all just keep on watching, and I'll show you the rest of the show. Well, I got a little treat today. I was able to bring one of my friends along. Y'all remember this fella?
Hello folks, I'm Dracochrono again.
Alrighty. Yeah, he came with me to the show today, and I'm very happy that he did. And we'll be making a few videos today, and I don't know when I'll get a chance to upload them, so I hope y'all will like this video. Alright? The next part of this video, I will be having pictures of every tractor here. I will, at the end of this video here, be walking around and about these things, talk about them. And Dracochrono, as y'all have already met, right there. He's gonna be with me the whole time. So I hope y'all like these next pictures.
I sat beside a man from Hollywood, California on a plane. He said he had rich and famous friends. Yeah, he liked dropping names. I said, well, how'd it do? That's good for you. I dig a lot of those actors. But son, you ain't got a thing on me. See, I got friends with tractors. They'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out and fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Come Friday night, we hit the woods, go bogging in our trucks. It's just about a guarantee some good old boy gets stuck. Where I come from, you can bet your butt a mud hole ain't a factor. I'll sink mine to the floorboards, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. I've been to fancy 5-star restaurants and I left there barely fed. They charged me for the water, the butter and the bread. That gourmet meal looked more to me like fish bait on a cracker. But I'll stay fat and happy, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. We'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah, I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah! Yeah, man, talking about internationals, John Deere's, Massey Ferguson's, whatever you got. We don't discriminate. Front end loaders, bush hogs, post hole diggers, need them, gotta have them. I believe I do know one actor. Is Larry the Cable Guy an actor? Oh well, he's got a tractor.
shiny little Beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "You all get in." She had on a
Well, y'all, that was the show. I meant to take more videos while the show was going on, but I was busy doing tractor games. And as y'all can see, my mom filmed it, and my friend Dracochrono, he filmed them too. So we're all loaded up here, getting ready to leave, head home. Dracochrono over there in black shirt. And over here, got 330 loaded up and the 111 loaded up. Grandfather right there.
Hey, buddy.
Howdy. Gotta take that jump gear off. The battery on it's getting in rough shape, so gotta fix that. So I hope y'all like this. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe, and I guess that's pretty much it. There's somebody else in our club of tractors loading up. Dracochrono. Hey man, how'd you like it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
This is the second show, I believe, right?
Yes, sir.
The second tractor show?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that say?
What?
I love HK. Ooh.
It's Hong Kong.
Who's that?
Hong Kong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Yeah, oh yeah, he won a hat too. Mike's Farm, Black Swamp, North Carolina. There you go. And I was in a bunch of games, so y'all, of course, y'all have already seen the videos. So I'll see y'all later. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe, and talk y'all later. Y'all come back now here. Bye.